The Compact Espresso Machine EP1350W is perfect for coffee enthusiasts, boasting a powerful 20-bar pump system and 1350-watt motor to produce rich and aromatic espresso drinks. Its sleek design, featuring a combination of ABS housing and stainless steel accents, makes it an attractive addition to any kitchen countertop. The intuitive LED touchscreen facilitates easy one-touch operation, allowing users to quickly prepare espressos, cappuccinos, and lattes while maintaining precise temperature control. With an advanced steam wand, users can customize their milk foam texture to create professional-quality microfoam for personalized cappuccino creations. Cleaning is a breeze with the machine's 57-ounce removable water tank and 17-ounce detachable milk container, ensuring a seamless maintenance experience. Smart alerts notify users when descaling is required after 500 brewing cycles, and reliable customer support is always available for assistance.